How to turn off aim assist in Fortnite. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable aim assist or auto aim in Fortnite. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to turn off aim assist in Fortnite, the first thing we need to do is select our avatar in the top right. And you can do that by selecting the menu button on your controller. Then in the menu on the left sidebar, scroll down and select the gear for the menu and then go over and select settings. Once in the settings, scroll right on the top menu until you get to controller and then go down to sensitivity. Once in sensitivity, we want to go over to the right and select use advanced options, turn that on, confirm you do want to enable the advanced options. Then all we need to do is scroll down until we get to advanced sensitivity and you'll find precision aim assist strength and tracking aim assist strength. You just want to turn these down all the way down to 0 and that will turn off aim assist. Once it's to 0, hit the back button on your controller, and then all we need to do is make sure that we select save here to save our settings changes, and we have now disabled aim assist in Fortnite. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.